Let me talk to you about why your next Make Money Online course isn't going to work. See, here's the problem. Lots of times you think you bought a business, you think you bought a result, but you didn't. You bought a login. Let's be super clear about what a course is and isn't. And this is coming from somebody who sells courses. But what arrives instead is a second job. In affiliate marketing, you got to learn content, got to learn funnels, got to learn follow-up and traffic and systems and messaging and all kinds of crazy stuff. You're going to wear 8,000 hats on top of your head and you're expecting to get the result tomorrow. That's not going to work, especially if you're a super busy person. If you are that person, stick to the end of the video. I'm going to show you why buying courses has never worked for you in the past, why it's never going to work, and what you should do instead if you have this super busy career between life, career, kids, everything that's going on with you. Then you want to do this other thing to get the results you're finally looking for and make a side income online. So just think about it. After your actual job, life hits you and you got to do that too. So this is a statistic, however the hell you say that thing. This is a statistic from the labor, whatever the hell, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, right? It's 8.4 hours per day is the average work day for the average American. Then on top of that, once you get home, the average amount of housework that you're doing, 1.8 hours. So that's like, you got to take out the trash, you got to clean the garage. For some people, that's even more, right? For some people, it's less, and we just crash out on the couch. But either way, now you're trying to fit all of this course stuff you're buying into this, plus you got to sleep at some point. So you buy the course, and already it says, hey, welcome, start with module 1, right? And so Crystal here, swimming through a sea of books, all this really means is congratulations, welcome to the 87 modules and the big library of information. And I want to tell you that this model is kind of dead. I won't say it's completely dead, but kind of. The busier and busier people are getting, the less and less time they have for courses and learning and all that stuff. And besides, learning is everywhere. Literally, you can go on ChatGPT right now. You can go on YouTube. I have a bunch of free courses on this channel right here, and you can learn all day long. The problem isn't learning. The problem is implementation. When do you actually have the time to do this stuff that you're learning? That's the biggest bottleneck for most people who are taking these courses, especially if you're probably like over the age of 45-ish and you have like this great career, you're trying to set yourself up for retirement. Courses are definitely not for you. You're going to be learning a new language. Plus, on top of that, you're going to try to fit this whole course into your busy day. Not going to happen. So this is what always happens, and this is on repeat. Tell me if I'm right or wrong, okay? You buy the course, and on day one, it feels like you're buying a new notebook or a new piece of homework, a whole like library of stuff that you have to learn, right? But you're really excited. Now, here's what happens. On day 8, so roughly a week later, life happens. The car breaks down. Like a spaceship crashes in through the roof. Your basement gets flooded. Your cat goes missing. Something happens, right? And then all hell breaks loose, and you start to like lose your focus around the course and the thing that you bought to try to actually get results that you're looking for, right? Maybe with affiliate marketing, maybe with some other digital product or something, right? And this is what's inevitably going to happen. I've taught people, brand new people, affiliate marketing for years and years, and they always think there's some way to avoid this. There's not. 100% chance that the tech is going to break down at some point. You're building a website, a sales funnel, you're creating a new Pinterest account, or you're using some other fancy tool you've never used before in your life. It's going to break. I hate to tell you, but 100% of the time, every day in my own business, my stuff breaks all the time. Now, I've gotten used to it, and the frustration only happens for like 5 seconds, but for you, because you're not used to it, you're going to be frustrated as hell, okay? So that's going to happen somewhere around day 17 when you're trying to build out all the tech stuff in this business. And here it is. By day 31, you've gotten super frustrated, you've gone nowhere, and the course starts collecting dust now. Now it's just poof, just dust everywhere. You're not even going through it. You're not getting the result because you're just done with it. It's just gone by the wayside. Life happened, tech happened, all this stuff happened. But here's what I want to take away from you. You were probably not the problem. The problem was the model doesn't work for you, meaning you buying like a bunch of videos in front of your face and going through them and taking notes and trying to figure this stuff out isn't really for you. That's why there's such a high failure rate, in my opinion, in the affiliate marketing or any digital marketing world when people buy a course and try to learn it, is because there's a big learning curve. And no matter how many gurus try to tell you that it's super easy and it takes 10 seconds to make $1 million, BS, right? You and I know that's a bunch of fakery bullshit, right? We know that. But they have to sell the course, so they have to convince you how easy it is, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. That's just part of it. But they've already learned all the skills, and you're trying to learn all these skills, and you don't have the time for that stuff. So I want you to ask these 3 questions before you buy your next course. Question 1 is what actually exists on day 1. If the person or the page or whatever you're reading tells you it's just like 37 videos or whatever, that's not really good enough for somebody who's super busy like you, right? So ask yourself, are you going to get a working asset? So if I went to, like, let's say McDonald's, and I say, I want to buy a McDonald's, I want to build one, and I want to start running a McDonald's, like a franchise, right? So I have to pick the location, they come build it, and I own the McDonald's. So pretty much, I mean, it takes time, but pretty much from day 1, once it's finished building and all the people are hired, it starts running. I didn't actually have to do that stuff, right? I didn't actually have to go and research and know how to build the McDonald's. They come and build it for me. So is there another curriculum? Like, is this just a course where I learn a bunch of stuff? Or is there an asset that I can start using to run the business from day 1? Think about it like this. If I was to hand you a blueprint with, like, hey, you know, kitchen design and stuff on it and say, go build a kitchen. Well, you have a blueprint. You don't have a kitchen, right? You have to go build that thing. Same thing with a lot of these courses. Nothing wrong with them, but most people don't have time for them. So you're being told, here's the course, go learn how to put it together. It's probably not for you. A second question here, it's very important. A lot of people are not honest about this, but I've worked with hundreds of people, and these are the main bottlenecks for them, especially with affiliate marketing, is does the course depend on your weakest skill set? A lot of people that I work with are camera shy, but not in the sense that, oh, I'm scared of being on camera because I'm ugly. My face looks like a foot. Nobody cares, okay? That's not the point. If you're that person, you have plenty of time, stop it. Go get confident, go be on camera. Nobody cares, all right? Just deliver value, just be a great affiliate marketer, start making money. This is not for you. I'm talking about the people who legit can't be on camera because maybe they're a doctor, a lawyer, somebody prominent in their career, some kind of high-ranking professional, upper management. Most of the time, they legit cannot be on camera. So they look at these business models, they say, that sounds like a great idea, but I can't do it, right? What if my boss finds out? What if my family finds out? What if, and they have all of these risks that are involved with being on camera and being the face of their brand and their business. I'm going to get to what you can do instead at the end of this video and what I've started setting up my private clients with. Check this out. The next one is going to be, are you tech allergic? Because a lot of people that I work with, they've been trying to do this stuff for years and years, and they're generally like over 45 years old. Tech doesn't come super easy for them. Like I said earlier, the tech is going to break. Are you going to be the kind of person who can kind of figure out how to do it? Or are you going to get super frustrated and give up? Because tech is a lot, okay? There's people that go to school for it. There's people that spend time studying it. And mind you, you might actually be good at tech. That's okay. If you're good at tech, then this isn't a big thing for you, not a big deal. But for most people, this is one thing they get hung up on is, man, there's so many tools to learn. There's so much jargon. I get it. It can be confusing. It can be complicated. And last but not least, at minimum, to make anything work long-term, do you have at least 2 hours per week? You buy any course that has all these videos and stuff, do you have at least 2 hours a week, not just to study, but to start implementing what's being taught in the course? Then give yourself like a year to start seeing any results. I didn't see my first dollar in affiliate marketing until 8 months in. That's because I had no idea what I was doing, and I bought a bunch of courses. And that was me working full-time as a forklift operator when I first came home from jail back in 2019. So I could imagine, and that was only 40 hours. I can imagine if you're working 50 or 60 hours, how this is actually going to turn out and transpire for you, learning all these new skills and all these new things. You're going into a whole different field here where you're super successful and really good at what you do now, but now you're going into the marketing, online business world. It's like, man, that's a whole different can of worms, right? So question 3 is going to be the biggest one. Nobody's ever honest with themselves about this, and it's what are you going to do when the excitement wears off? With any course, it happens every single time. You're going to feel like you just bought a new car. Remember when you buy the new car, that new car smell, and you picked the right one, you took it for a test drive, it was amazing, you took it home, you stood outside of it, you said, man, look at my beautiful new car, I love it, it's the right color, it's everything. And for like a week or two, you drove that car around town, you were super excited, you were like, this is the best car ever, everyone's looking at me, I feel great, blah, 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 blah. Then what happens? It just becomes another car, right? That's exactly what happens. It just becomes another car. And then you go, why did I buy this thing? Right? I'm not even excited about it anymore. It sucks. So I want you to be prepared and be ready for when that happens. A lot of times with these courses, especially if you pay somewhere around $1,000 or sub $1,000, they might have like a group coaching aspect or something where they guide you. Well, you go to those group calls, there's like 10,000 people on the call. You raise your hand and they say what? They say, go back to the course and find out yourself. They still make it a do-it-yourself. They don't really give a shit, right? That's just how it works, right? They have all these students, they have all these successes and all that stuff, but they pretty much depend on you to just do it yourself, and then they just point you back to the course again. So you're not getting any real support, and you're dependent on yourself while you don't have that new course smell anymore. You're just not that excited anymore. It's hard to keep yourself going. But here's the thing, and this is what I believe is not only the new business opportunity for this year and beyond for the next like 20 years. If you haven't been paying attention, I don't know where you've been, AI can reduce the workload severely. Okay, AI has made it to where now anyone, even if you're not techie or any of these other things, anyone can run an AI avatar business. We call it the AI avatar machine. Let me walk you through that. So here's the main thing, and I don't want to make this sound like super like over the top, make $5,000 on your first day, but it is kind of a magic money machine. Let's be honest. This thing is awesome. So instead of going through a course, we install an entire system for you. It's an AI avatar, right? That goes on social media. We primarily like using Instagram. I have mine on Instagram, and they make extra income for you in the form of affiliate marketing. If you want to make your own digital products, we show you how you can do that. Or brand deals, and brands pay you a retainer sometimes. They pay you a percentage of how many views you're getting. But by the way, this has all happened autonomously. The system is actually able to run by itself with a little bit of your input. We always tell our clients, talk to it for like 15 minutes a day here and there, and you have your side income. Let's be honest. If you have a great career right now and very little time, you're not looking to build some like $1 million new thing on the internet. You just want a side income where, hey, if I can make $1,000, $2,000 extra a month and just have it there in my bank account in case some emergency happens and I don't have to worry so much, that's what I really want. That's what AI avatar machine can do. Now, it can scale beyond that. You can make a lot more than that. I happen to know somebody making $40,000 a month right now with their AI avatar on Instagram. But that being said, that's not the whole point. That's not the whole key of what we're trying to provide to a specific kind of person. If you're the kind of person with plenty of time on your hands, go through the course instead. So here's some examples of some of the people we've been helping already. And this is the exact structure of the system. Now, some of these people, I don't want to say like what they do, but they have very important positions and things like that. They actually, have important careers and whatnot. But so we start with the AI influencer. And again, this is automated, okay? So I don't know how much you know about AI if you're watching this right now, but AI can control your computer while you're not around. You can command AI from your phone and tell it things to do, and it talks back to you as if it's a person. So we create basically an AI assistant for you and runs this secondary business for you, almost just like you bought that McDonald's. It's like a franchise and it just runs by itself. The employees are in there running it for you, okay? So the AI influencer already has the pre-planned scripts. It already has the ideas about what you're promoting, how you're promoting it, what your business is about, all that stuff. And its job is to get attention on social media, in this case, Instagram, right? So it's promoting and creating all of the content for you, all of the videos, all the pictures, all that stuff. It's doing it all for you. It's even posting it for you. Then on top of that, when someone is interested, there's a secondary tool we use called ManyChat. It's about $10-15 a month, I think. And ManyChat, what it does is when someone is interested in the products that you're promoting, when they comment on one of your pieces of content and they say, hey, I want that, ManyChat reaches out to them and sends them, in this case, let's say the affiliate link, because affiliate marketing, I love affiliate marketing. I think it's one of the best ways for a complete beginner to start making money. And the great thing about affiliate marketing is you're selling someone else's product, so you don't need to worry about customer service and returns and all this other stuff that you got to deal with normally in any other kind of business online. This is 99% hands off. Like I said, 15-20 minutes a day, talk to the AI, let it know some ideas, what you want it to do. It reports back to you how things are going. So you have this conversation going on rather than you running this thing and doing it manually yourself. So this is how my system looks. It's called the AI avatar machine. And again, we install it. It takes us roughly 30 days, but we're getting faster and faster because my team is growing more and more and they're getting more skilled at this stuff. And then you just operate it. You just drive traffic. You basically just tell it what to do. Okay, that's it. That's where Crystal came from. She's part of this machine for myself. A lot of the stuff you'll see on my Instagram was automatically created by Crystal herself. So she's like her own little AI avatar person just running my business on the side. Now, I do want to stress that done for you is not for everyone. We do this for you. We build the infrastructure, we install it, we give you the keys back at the end. That's not for everyone. First of all, there is an investment. If you're not ready to invest in yourself and have a secondary income, don't bother, right? Or if you're the kind of person who has plenty of time on their hands, you can watch mountains of YouTube videos, you can figure out how to put all this stuff together after a few months or whatever, then by all means do that, because there's plenty of information out there. And if you have plenty of time, go ahead and do that, or buy a course on this stuff or whatever the hell, okay? Just go do that, okay? I might even have a course or two somewhere, I don't know, in one of these videos or something. But what I don't want you to think is that I'm trying to promote this to everyone on earth. I know what kind of specific clients that I can work with where I can help fix this bottleneck, and it's not for everybody, okay? So if that's you, if you're that opposite person who's like, I can probably put this together myself and I'll take a few months to figure it out, go ahead and do that. But if you're somebody who's just time starved, you've tried all the other models, you bought a bunch of courses before, probably you're like, you know what, let me just get something set up so I can just start running it. And that's it. And it just starts making money for me because I don't have time for this stuff anymore. Then go ahead and book a call down below. There's a link down in the description to talk to somebody from my team. They'll walk you through a demo, show you what a live account looks like, show you what the whole system looks like. It's not like this, mystery thing behind a box somewhere. We actually show you exactly how we set these things up, and then we do it for you, okay? We come to an agreement and we figure it all out. We get it all done, hand it back to you, and now you have a business that's running on the side by itself. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.